shit got. Come on. This is part 3. They're gonna light the fireworks. My brother, my older brother, and my older sister, and the other kid. They're gonna pop the fireworks. They go crazy. Y'all don't see that flashlight out there. Y'all blind. That's them. These is people all around the neighborhood popping fireworks. You know what? Let me go see what they're doing. I'm too scared to come hit them and pop them. If I see one of them kids running, baby, I'm running too. They're digging something. Let me go see what they digging. See y'all people everywhere out here. Shoot, see mosquitoes. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. Check that. Keep over. I know it's when I saw it on the ground. I'm like, oh no, it's one of those flowers.
3 kids, 1 from each marriage.
Yeah. When I saw it on the ground, I knew it was one of those flowers.
My, she has some experience in making love. She made us so happy.
I was a track star. No, from now on, I'm staying up here in the light. Y'all gonna have to right here. I'm gonna show a couple of clips on. Y'all bye.